What is up, guys? Sonduren Canadian Rider here. I am in the new office slash YouTube studio. I've talked to you guys about this in my previous video. I just moved into a new place and I've always wanted kind of my dream desk setup, the Attainable dream desk setup with a YouTube studio combined. So I've set up that entire piece here in this new room. I'm very excited to share it with you guys. It's always been my dream to have something that's functional by design, something that's yours, but it's very minimalistic and clean, so you can do a lot of that thinking that you want to do for work or for play. One of the biggest things when you come in is you see this beautiful desk that I got from Ikea, this Karbly desk. It's this beautiful wood, and what we did was attach 4 legs to it, the Adils Legs, and then put the Alex drawer in the middle. By the way, all of these things that I'm going to show you today, I'm going to post the links below so you can also check them out. And if you want to buy them, you can buy them as well. But this desk is really the huge desk that I needed to accompany my spot here, but then also my fiance's spot here, so that she could do some work from home as well. So this gives us enough, space definitely on the table to put all the things that we want to put on here. Your monitors, your speakers, your mice, your desktop, your laptop, all that stuff. And it's honestly a beautiful wood finish. It goes with everything. So you put those 4 legs on. We have the Alex drawer, which is, by design, very functional, very sleek, nothing too crazy about it. I love the drawer, so it sets up the desk perfectly. For the PC, I talked to you guys about this in my previous video. About a year ago, I built a Ryzen PC. I have the Ryzen 1700 right now in there with a GTX 1080 Ti. 8 cores, 16 threads. It's a huge workhorse for all of my multi-threaded workloads like Adobe. Video editing, for gaming it's fine. It really does it all. It's a really amazing processor. If you don't have it, you should check it out. But my PC, it's in the CORSAIR 460 Crystal X. This is a beautiful case. Glass everywhere, the LED lights on the fans. Very functional, minimalistic, a little flashy, which I like. And it kind of goes into the design theme that I was thinking about. So one of the first things you're going to be doing, you're going to come sit on this desk. You're going to be sitting on this beautiful chair. This is the Ikea Markus leather chair. Very functional, beautiful, simplistic design. But the first thing you do is you're going to see these 2 beautiful monitors. These are the Acer monitors, 1440p displays on each side, running 144 Hertz, G-Sync compatible. So I got G-Sync, obviously with 1080 Ti, with 2 monitors that are at 1440p with 144 Hertz. This makes it amazing for gaming. They're IPS displays as well, so you can have beautiful color reproduction, great viewing angles, and it's great for multi-desktop use. So I love these screens, and these are on a monitor stand to clear up the desk space a little bit more. Very beautiful. In terms of the keyboard and mouse, for the mouse, I have the Logitech G903. This is the wireless mouse. Very functional, beautiful. I use it for gaming. Then I have this beautiful keyboard. This is the Logitech G613. What's cool about this is I can switch this keyboard from my Mac to my PC instantaneously. Very cool with the touch of a button. Very nice keyboard, comes with a nice palm rest here, wrist rest. Really good, and it's all wireless. So the biggest thing I want to make sure I do is clean up the wires as much as I can on the desk. So wireless keyboard, wireless mouse, everything here is wireless as much as possibly can be. In terms of our speakers, I got hooked up with the Edifier S350 speakers. These are amazing speakers. 2.1 system, great subwoofer, 2 amazing speakers that actually pump out great mids and highs, and the bass is respectable. Obviously the bass isn't like something mind-blowing. I'm typically a guy that doesn't like too much bass anyway, so 2 really great speakers here that are connected to the computer provide amazing audio. I have these little cable routes here that put in the cables inside of little slots, and once you're done with the cable, you simply retract it down into the spot, and when you need it, you bring it back out. So that way it keeps the desk uncluttered. Cable management's a huge thing for me. I have like OCD, I'm pretty sure, and I want to make sure that everything is as clean as possible on this desk. So everything that you look at, it's there on the desk because it's being used, and if it's not being used, it's not on the desk. That's the office environment, and that's really amazing, so it's really great to work at. But I can just simply turn this into a YouTube studio very quickly. Right now I have the camera in front of me, my Sony a6300. Then I have lighting, so I have one huge light here. I have another light here for the fill light, and then this light from Ikea acts as a nice background light to give it a little bit of depth in the shot. So in this case, I'm just sitting down at my regular desk, and I can just pump out YouTube videos by, I'm working here. When I pump out a video, I just turn on the Sony camera and let it run. It's recording by audio over a boom mic. I got lighting set up here. The lights I do bring in and out. So in the shots that I showed you, the lights are actually out of the studio or the office space. But I'll show you some shots with the lights here. I basically have just a fill light here that's really close to give a lot of like light to the face, and then a fill light over on the left-hand side to just fill in the shadows of the room, and then some background elements as well to add to the overall look of the frame and the shot. I'm very happy. Make sure again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I am going to be showing you my garage, which is the other thing that I've been working on to make it mine. It's really the Attainable garage, the Attainable dream garage for everybody. Similar to how this is, I think, the Attainable dream office / YouTube studio setup. So very excited to share that with you guys as well. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Lots more videos to come, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.